again! I don't even think I'm halfway past this stage yet. And I'm still fucking up on this first part. And it's almost been 7 minutes. Alright, I'll go for 15 minutes. No. I almost fucked that up. Okay. Oh, okay. You jump on the same wall multiple times. This guy, I know you have to watch out for. The boxer guy. Because he's like impossible to dodge. Dog is coming! Oh, how the hell do you avoid the dog? At least I know you can jump on the same wall multiple times. Like that. And this chick. Okay.